Hello and welcome back to my channel, The Comfy Crafter. I am The Comfy Crafter and we are unboxing the Crochet Society Advent Calendar for 2022. So yesterday was day 5 and I must admit I didn't get day 5 finished, but what I did do was I did do the mini make from day 5, which is a little Scandi Christmas ornament, which I think is quite cute. I enjoyed doing that. It didn't take me very long, so it was a really quick make, and it used up some of the ball of yarn from day 3. So today, because it is day 6, we're going to open up day 6 and see what is inside. So inside day 6, if I can get it out, is some more of the signature confection DK wool or yarn, and it is in the colour number 4 icing sugar. So this is another repeat. We had this in day 1, so that's really good because it's a nice colour. I'm really liking the pale colours in the calendar so far with the contrasting red. I think it looks really good. And then our little gift for day 6 is some pencils, 3 little pencils, which go quite nicely with the little notebook that we got in one of the earlier days. As I said before, I'm really enjoying the gifts that are coming out of this advent calendar because they are all useful and have tied in with each other. Now, as you can see, I've now got 4 squares done. So let's have a quick look at what those squares look like. So that was day 4, day 3, day 2 and day 1. Now I have blocked day 1, so they are beginning to line up. As you can see, some of them are a little bit bigger than others, but that's not a problem, because what I did also just get in the post today was some blocking mats. So I did try and block the first day with my own sort of homemade blocking mat, and it worked, but it wasn't the best. As you can see, it is lining up better with the other squares, but still not perfect. And also I discovered that I didn't have rust proof pins, so that didn't work very well. So I've bought a blocking mat, so hopefully as this CAL progresses I'll be able to match up my squares. So yeah, hopefully tomorrow I might get day 5 and 6 done, or at least day 5 done, and we'll open up day 7 and see what's inside. Look forward to joining you then. Goodbye.